This is the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus at ito naman ang MSI Claw 7 A1M. Ano ba ang mga major differences sa dalawang ito? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Unang-una sa lahat, ang MSI Claw 8 AI Plus ay may 120Hz refresh rate pero 8-inch yung kanyang display. Yes, 120Hz refresh rate naman ang MSI Claw 7 pero ang difference is that this one has a 7-inch display. So if you want a bigger screen real estate, syempre, you may want to get this one right over here. Pangalawa, pag-usapan natin ng memory or RAM. This one has a total of 32 gigs of memory while this one only has 16 gigs. Napakalaking bagay ng RAM, especially if you want to play titles na AAA. Importante ang RAM, especially if you want to play AAA titles like Cyberpunk o kaya naman ay Spider-Man. Another thing which I think is the most major of all is that this one is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 258V Series 2. So pagdating sa performance, napakalaki ng leap ng performance ng Claw 8 kumpara sa dating Claw 7. So if you're upgrading, go ahead. But if you're coming from a Steam Deck, for instance, and if you want to jump to the latest one, which is the Claw 8, you can do so, but you have to shell out 59,995 pesos. Kung hindi naman problema sa iyo ang presyo, go ahead and check out the new MSI Claw 8 AI Plus.